I have dealt with depression and anxiety my whole life, and ATMC taught me a lot about different ways I can help heal my body to fix a lot of my issues instead of taking doctor prescribed meds. They touch base on having food allergies and different foods that attribute to causing problems with our mental health, and how important our diet is and helping to heal our gut and heal our bodies to help heal our minds. I was pleasantly surprised when I got to ATMC how delicious all of the food was. I thought that I wasn't gonna like having to take out lots of things that I was used to eating, but it honestly was the best food that I've ever had in my life. And actually taking away sugar and caffeine and how much that has helped maintain my anxiety levels and keep them more manageable. And a lot of the food, just using the organic, fresh components, helping to make me feel better. I was very skeptical that a lot of the food at ATMC was not going to be good, but I learned firsthand different ways to make healthy foods tastier, and lots of herbs and spices and fresh ingredients that makes food phenomenal, and how much better you feel, and it clears your mind and you just feel amazing. And you got to work firsthand with an organic chef that we even went over recipes, and he sat down and helped us to personally watch him make food a couple of times, and he had classes showing us different ways we could alter recipes that we already had at home, and how to integrate the gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free diet into things that we were already eating, and help us to learn new ways to cook and to just feel better.